Hello to you all at home. I hope you're having a great weekend because it's about to get better. This is of course the Super Saturday Night match brought to you exclusively by Sky Sports. Here they're about to kick off at any moment, so a chance to have a quick look at the two teams before I hand you over to Clive and Andy. Waiting is over. Let's go to the stadium to join our match commentators Andy Gray and Clive Tilsley.
Hello, I'm Clive Tilsley. Alongside me today is Andy Gray.
Oh, thanks, Clive. This should be a great match. Really looking forward to it.
They are calling this a friendly, whoever they are, but we know better. Two teams packed full of fighters, and neither side will want to give an inch.
Well, they both want to win. It's as simple as that. And as soon as that whistle goes, stand by for some fireworks.
Normal time could not separate these two teams. Let's see if extra time can. These two deliver the right ball. Here's a chance. That'll be a throw. They're in a good position here. Needs to pick the right cross.
Anderson.
Managed to get it away.
Webster.
Has to be a free kick. The referee won't put up with any of that. Oh, that's dangerous. Free kick. And he could go into the book next time. There's the cross.
Anderson.
Trying to get down the sides of the defence here. Trying to make the most of the wings. Playing with real authority now. That's a criminal waste of the ball. And yes, he's lost his man here. The defender can get the ball out of danger. This isn't a match in which anybody can hide. It's so competitive.
Passing short, passing long. And it's all been fairly accurate too.
Wonderful close control. Squeeze it across. Keeping the ball well. Does run well with the ball. There's an opening here. Steers in the cross. There's his lines. It will be the signal to bring men forward from the back. It's a corner. Looking for his man. So another corner. Can they do something with this one? Pumped it into the area. Fires one in.
Webster.
What's he going to do with it now? Target goal! No, just clear the crossbar.
Oh, that's a super effort. He's only just missed.
Sees it away. That will be a throw-in. Kept his eye on the ball and won it well. Nearly half-time here, and there's not a lot in this. Now look at this. Can they take advantage? King. And he'll take the last defender on. Giving them plenty to worry about here. Good clearance out of the box. Now look at this.
Anderson.
It's half-time. Andy, what occurred to you about that first half?
Second half will be interesting. Really, really interesting, Clive. There's absolutely nothing between them. Just watching this. The winner, maybe a mistake, maybe a brilliant piece of skill. That's the only thing that will settle this game.
At the halfway point.
Both teams on the brink of relegation, absolutely no way back.
Underway once more. Right floated in here. There's the cross. Goal kick. They've got it back. King.
Anderson.
Genuine chance. Coming at them from all angles here. Just hooked it on into the box and played safely away. Out for a corner then. Stripped over. It wasn't pretty, but they got it away. Oh, the ball's not sure of support. He's almost fought for choice here. There's a flag up here. What's all that about? Oh, it's offside. Look at this! How many passes have they put together here? That's a rather reckless challenge.
Well, they're going to load it now. Some of the defenders are coming up. What they want is a ball they can attack.
So, one substitution apiece, two new faces.
Well, they're going to have to be careful because it looks to me like they're going all out attack.
And a change of faces here. Closing in. He's been awarded a free kick. And another change there for the manager, his second of the night.
Well, they'll have to be careful they don't get caught in the break because they really have gone offensive now.
They've stood off him. There's a bit of relief, they've been coming under pressure. He's got himself into a good position with that run. He swung it in.
Webster.
Definitely a free kick. I for one wouldn't be at all surprised to see a card here. And the referee shows him the yellow card and books him.
Can't argue with the referee there. He's absolutely right.
Anderson.
We've done so well to regain possession. Good clearance out of the box.
Anderson.
Can he take the charge? It's there! Goal! Oh, that could turn the game! It's that important!
Oh yes, get in there, my son.
It's a goal worth celebrating, although they'll wait to the final whistle to celebrate it. It may just turn out to be the vital goal. There are only moments left.
Well, have they got anything left? I don't think so. So late in the game. Might well be the winner.
So, just when we were maybe starting to write this game off as a contest, it is precisely that again. The difference only 2 now. We're meant to aim for. Crossed into the box. And a burst forward. Covered his ground quickly there, made sure he wasn't caught out of possession. Lifted the pass very cleverly there. Well, we wanted that a bit more than the attacker.
Will we score more goals bringing on that extra striker?
Needs to find a man. Look at this, they've not picked him up, he's in on goal. And the burst forward. Referee happy to let it go.
Anderson.
Came sliding in, but he didn't get the ball. It's a yellow card. The referee had a front row view of that one.
Yeah, that's foolish. They'll be walking a tightrope now for the rest of the game.
He can look after himself when the ball's in the air. Not a good pass, intercepted quickly. Yes, he's wriggled away from his man here. That's it! Full time, and that was as good as they could have possibly hoped for at the start of the night. An excellent result. It's our pleasure to bring these games to you. Until the next one, I'd like to thank Andy Gray for his assistance during this game. From all of us here at EA Sports, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.